Jinan IGOLDENCNC Equipment Company Limited, established in 2012, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of CNC woodworking engraving machine, stone engraving machine, foam cutting and engraving machine, laser cutting machine, and plasma cutting machine. We are located in Jinan, Shandong, with convenient transportation access. We dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including welding machine, bending machine, and cutting machine, etc. In addition, we have obtained CE, FDA certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Southeast Asia, Middle East, Europe, and North America. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Our company adheres to management for efficiency, survive by quality, credibility for development business philosophy, actively improves the valuation of product quality, insists on the principle of specialization and practical for design of products. We pursue excellence and constant excellence, and try our best to offer excellent quality products with favorable price and perfect service system for customers.